It's another Monday morning, and you are dragging yourself out of bed, already dreading the same old routine. The alarm's alarming, your coffee is cold, and you are thinking, is this it? Is this what's my life gonna be look like forever? You are not alone. So many of us feel stuck, like we are going through motion, working hard but not really getting ahead. But what if I told you that 2025 is the year everything changes? I know more than half of the year has passed, but if for the rest of the year you take control, chase your dreams, and create something that's yours? I'm talking about starting a side hustle. Not just any side hustle, but one that could change your life. And here's the thing, 2025 is the perfect time to do this. Stick with me because I am gonna break down why exactly this year is your year. And by the end of this, you'll be itching to get started. Alright, let's talk about what's happening in the world right now. The economy in 2025, it's like a big wild ocean full of waves, some rough but also full of opportunities if you know where to look. Things are shifting fast, businesses are rethinking how they operate, new markets are popping up, and people are spending money in different ways. Maybe you have noticed pricing going up and job security feeling a little shaky. That's not just a challenge, it's a signal. When the world changes like this, it creates gap, the gap that you can fill with your side hustle. Just think, when people need something changed, they're looking for the new solutions. Maybe they're craving convenience or they want something unique, something they can't get from big corporations. That's where you come in. A side hustle can let you spot those gaps and create something that fits. Whether it's selling a skill, offering a service, or creating that's totally new. The economic shift in 2025 is like an open door. You don't need to be an expert economist to see it. You just pay attention to what people around you need. The beauty of a side hustle is that you can start small, test the water, and grow as you go. The world's changing, and it's practically begging you to jump in and make your mark. Now let's talk about something that's making 2025 a game changer, technology. Imagine trying to start a side hustle 20 years ago. You'd need a big budget, a storefront, or even a fancy degree, but you don't need all these things now. Today, you've got tools at your fingertips that make starting a side hustle so easy. It's almost unfair. Platforms are out there that let you sell anything, your time, your creativity, your skills, without spending a fortune. Imagine you are sitting at home and with few clicks you can set up an online store, reach customers across the globe, or even teach people something you are good at. Technology in 2025 is so advanced and you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. There are apps and websites that can handle payments, marketing, even shipping, so you can focus on what you love doing. And here's the good thing, these tools are getting cheaper and more user friendly every day. You don't need to know how to code or design, you just need an idea or willingness to try. Technology is leveling the playing field, and in 2025, it's practically rolling out the red carpet for your side hustle. Okay, let's talk about something really exciting, the creator economy. In 2025, it's not just growing, it's exploding. People are making money by sharing what they know, what they love, or even who they are. Imagine turning your passion, whether it's cooking, fitness, tech, or even just telling great stories, into a side hustle. And that's what creator economy is all about. It's about building a brand around you and connecting with people who can vibe with what you are putting out there. The best part is you don't need million followers to start. In 2025, people are craving authenticity. They want real, relatable voices, not just polished influencers. Platforms are making it easier than ever to share your content, whether it's video, blog, or even quick post, and those platforms are paying creators too. You can monetize your passion in ways that didn't even exist a few years ago. Starting a side hustle in this creator economy means you are not just selling a product, you are building a community, a brand, a legacy. It's like planting a seed that grows into something huge, and 2025 is the perfect time to start watering it. Let's talk about how work itself is changing. You've probably noticed that 9 to 5 grind isn't what it used to be. In 2025, companies embracing remote work, flexible schedules, and hybrid setups like never before. And that's great news for your side hustle. Why? Because flexibility gives you time and space to build something on the side without quitting your day job. Imagine this. You're working from home a few days a week and your boss is cool with you, setting your own hours. That's time you can carve out to work on your side hustle. Maybe it's a couple of hours in the evening or weekend project. The way work is shifting in 2025 means you don't need to choose between your work and your dreams. You can do both. Plus, people are valuing freedom more than ever. They are looking for ways to break free from traditional career paths, and a side hustle is the best way to test that freedom. It's like dipping your toes into water before diving in, and the work culture in 2025 is makes it easier than ever to take that first step. So there you have big reasons why 2025 is the year to start your side hustle. But here's the thing, none of this happen if you don't take that first step. I know it's scary, starting something new always is, but pick something you're passionate about, something you're curious about, and just try. Set up a profile on a platform, share your first piece of content, or offer your skills to someone who needs them. The world in 2025 is ready for you. It's like the universe is handing you a golden opportunity saying go for it. So what are you waiting for? Grab the notebook, note down one idea, just one, and take that first step today, and you are in the game. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And now if you are thinking about what side hustle you have to start, then watch this one video, and I'll see you in the next one.